Hi, Teddy. How are you today?
Hi, Ellie. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. I was just thinking about my family today.
Oh, really? That's nice. Let's talk about our families.
Yes, that's a good idea.
So, Ellie, how many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
5. That's a nice number. Who are they?
My dad, my mom, my older brother, my little sister, and me.
Wow, you have both a brother and a sister. That's cool.
Yes, my brother's name is Tom. He is 20 years old.
What does Tom do?
He is a student at university. He studies computer science.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Is he good at computers?
Yes, he loves computers. He likes playing games and learning about technology.
Nice. What about your little sister?
Her name is Lisa. She is 10 years old.
10? That's so cute.
Yes, she is very cute. She loves drawing and painting.
Oh, really? My little sister likes painting too.
That's great. Maybe they can draw together someday.
What do your parents do, Ellie?
My dad is a doctor. He works at a hospital.
A doctor? That's amazing.
Yes, he helps sick people every day.
And your mom?
My mom is a teacher. She teaches English at a school.
Wow, no wonder your English is so good.
Thank you. She always helps me with my homework.
That's nice. You have a smart mom and a kind dad.
Yes, I love them very much.
What do you usually do with your family on weekends?
On weekends, we like to spend time together.
What do you usually do?
Sometimes we go to the park. Sometimes we watch movies at home.
Oh, I love family movie nights.
Yes, we eat popcorn and watch funny movies.
Sounds fun.
My dad likes action movies. My mom likes romantic movies.
And you? What do you like?
I like comedy movies. I love to laugh.
Me too. Laughter makes life happy. Do you live with your grandparents, Ellie?
No, but they live near my house.
That's nice. Do you visit them often?
Yes, we visit them every Sunday.
What do you do when you visit them?
We have lunch together and talk. My grandma cooks delicious food.
Oh, I miss my grandma's cooking too.
Grandmas always make the best food.
Yes, that's true.
How about you, Teddy? Tell me about your family.
Sure. There are 4 people in my family.
4 people? Who are they?
My dad, my mom, my sister, and me.
That's nice. What does your dad do?
My dad is an engineer. He works for a big company.
Oh, that sounds cool. And your mom?
My mom is a nurse. She works at the same hospital where your dad works, maybe.
Really? Maybe they know each other.
Maybe? My mom is very kind. She helps people every day.
That's wonderful. What about your sister?
My sister's name is Mia. She is 15 years old.
Is she in high school?
Yes, she is. She loves music and dancing.
Wow. A dancer. That's fun.
Yes, she practices every day in her room.
Sounds noisy sometimes.
Yes, but I don't mind.
Teddy, what do you and your family usually do on Sundays?
On Sundays, we like to have breakfast together.
What do you usually eat?
My mom makes pancakes and fruit juice.
Yum! That sounds delicious.
Yes, my dad loves coffee in the morning.
My dad, too. He drinks coffee every morning.
After breakfast, we sometimes go to the park or visit my grandparents.
Oh, that's lovely.
Do you help your parents at home, Teddy?
Yes, I do. I help clean the house and wash the dishes.
That's good. I help my mom cook sometimes.
Really? What can you cook?
I can cook fried rice and noodles.
Wow, you're a good cook.
Thank you. What about you?
I can make sandwiches.
That's a start?
Ellie, do you have family photos at home?
Yes, many. We have photos in the living room.
I love family photos. They bring back memories.
Yes, I agree. We take photos every holiday.
That's a good idea. My family also takes photos during vacations.
Where did you go last holiday?
We went to the beach. It was sunny and beautiful.
Oh, I love the beach. Did you swim?
Yes, we swam and played volleyball.
Sounds so fun. What about your family? We went to the mountains. We hiked and had a picnic.
Nice. That sounds relaxing.
Ellie, what do you love most about your family?
I love that we always support each other.
That's beautiful.
When I feel sad, my mom listens to me.
Moms are the best listeners.
Yes, my dad tells funny jokes to make me laugh.
That's so sweet. My dad does the same.
Really? That's funny.
Yes, my family also eats dinner together every night.
That's great. Family dinners are special times.
What do you usually talk about during dinner?
We talk about our day, school, work, and news.
Same here. We also talk and laugh a lot.
Sometimes we play games after dinner.
Oh, what kind of games?
Card games or word games.
Fun! We play board games sometimes.
Emily, do you celebrate family birthdays?
Of course! We love birthdays.
How do you celebrate?
We have a cake, gifts, and music.
That sounds nice.
My mom always decorates the house.
My sister makes handmade cards.
That's lovely. I make cookies for my family.
Yum! I want to try your cookies.
Maybe one day.
What's your favorite family memory, Ellie?
My favorite memory is when we went camping last year.
Oh, tell me more.
We slept in a tent, cooked food on fire, and sang songs.
That sounds perfect.
What about you?
My favorite memory is when we went to the zoo.
Oh, I love the zoo.
Yes, we saw lions, elephants, and monkeys.
Did you take photos?
Yes, many. My sister took funny pictures.
That's so cute. Family is everything, right?
Yes, I agree. Family is love and support.
They are always there for us.
Yes, no matter what happens.
I'm happy we talked about our families today.
Me too, Ellie. It makes me feel warm inside.
Talking about family always makes me smile.
Same here.
Emily, do you ever think about your family's future?
Oh, yes, I do. I often dream about what we'll do together in the future.
That's nice. What kind of dreams do you have?
I want my family to travel together around the world one day.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Where would you like to go first?
Maybe Japan. My little sister loves Japanese cartoons.
Oh, really? My sister too. She loves anime and cute things.
Lisa wants to see cherry blossoms and eat sushi.
That's adorable. And your parents? Would they like to travel too?
Yes, my mom loves new cultures, and my dad loves to take photos.
So your dad would take pictures everywhere.
Exactly. He never goes anywhere without his camera.
What about your brother, Tom? Does he want to travel too?
Yes, but he also dreams of working abroad someday. Maybe in the US or Canada.
Oh, that's great. He studies computer science, right?
Yes, he wants to become a software engineer and help our parents someday.
That's such a nice dream. I'm sure he'll make it come true.
Thank you. What about you, Teddy? Do you have family dreams?
Yes. I want my family to have a big house with a garden.
A garden? That sounds lovely.
Yes. I want my mom to have a flower garden because she loves flowers.
Oh, that's sweet. My mom loves flowers too, especially roses.
My mom loves sunflowers. She says they make her smile.
That's beautiful. And your dad?
My dad wants to build a small workshop at home. He likes fixing things.
That's cool. My dad likes fixing things too. Maybe they'd be good friends.
Yes, they would talk about tools and cars all day.
And what about your sister, Mia? What's her dream?
She wants to be a dancer on a big stage one day.
Wow, that's a wonderful dream.
She practices every evening. Our house is always full of music.
That must be fun. I like families that have music in the air.
Me too. It makes our home happy and lively.
Teddy, do you think you'll live near your parents when you grow up?
I think so. I want to stay close so I can visit them often.
Me too. I don't want to live too far from my family.
Because family means home, right?
Yes, exactly. Home is not just a place, it's people we love.
You said it perfectly, Ellie.
When I grow up, I want to take care of my parents. They did so much for me.
I feel the same. Parents give us everything. Love, care, and support.
Yes, they are our heroes.
Absolutely.
So, what have you learned about talking about your family today?
Tell us in the comments below. Share something about your family.
And if you liked this video, please leave your comment below.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, English Echo.